bayamanyula bese dakwe iwayini uthi MK yabo iMK ekazuma iMK eyabantu abamnyama inamandla leyo
Yes.
Comrades, we are in a war.
Yes.
We are in a war against white monopoly capitalism. We are in a war against the dogs of white monopoly capitalism in the form of Cyril and Figilan Palula and all the NEC of the ANC. We must defeat ANC. On the 29, we must MK Viva! Viva MK Viva! Tata MK Tata! Viva Msholosi Viva! Comrades, siyabonga kakhulu ngoku-attenda kwenu, simobilize kakhulu kwi-social media ngoba sinayo imedia eSouth Africa. Mhlambe niyabona ukuthi sibaningi kangakanani kodwa ayikho imedia eprepared ukuthi izokhava iMK. iMK ayidependile kwi-Stellenbosch mafias ukuthi izokhava iMK. iMK ayidependile kwi-funding ye-Stellenbosch mafias. Noma singebe nawo ama-t-shirt kodwa kusho lokhu ukuthi in our pocket